Hey foodies! Discover the tantalizing world of fusion cuisine that's sweeping the nation. This isn't just your ordinary food revolution. We're talking about a culinary remix that's breathing new life into our kitchens and restaurants, merging diverse cultures and flavors into a single, delectable bite. Fusion cuisine is more than a trend. It's an exciting era of gastronomic innovation. This is where the savors of the East meet the tastes of the West, where tradition meets creativity, and where the old meets the new. It's the fearless blending of global flavors that's redefining what we know about food. From Korean tacos to ramen burgers, the boundaries are being pushed, and the results are nothing short of delicious. So, strap in and prepare your taste buds. We're about to embark on a mouth-watering journey into the creative culinary collisions shaping the future of American food. Explore the explosive growth of fusion food as American chefs fearlessly blend global flavors. As we delve into this delicious world, we find ourselves in an era where culinary boundaries are being pushed and traditional dishes are being reimagined. This is not just a passing trend, but a testament to the evolving palate of the American consumer, embracing the diversity that makes this nation so unique. Fusion food, at its heart, is a creative blend of cuisines, a melding of distinct flavors, ingredients, and techniques from different cultures. It's like a culinary world tour, right on your plate. Imagine biting into a Korean taco, where the classic Mexican dish meets the fiery flavors of Korean barbecue. Or how about a ramen burger, where the beloved Japanese noodle soup is transformed into a sizzling, juicy burger. These dishes are more than just a novelty. They represent a new wave of culinary innovation, a celebration of cultural diversity, and a reflection of our global society. It's about chefs daring to step outside traditional norms, experimenting with flavors, and creating something entirely new and exciting. And it's not just happening in high-end restaurants or food trucks. Fusion food has found its way into home kitchens, with adventurous cooks experimenting with recipes and sharing their creations on social media. It's a phenomenon that's reshaping the culinary landscape, one dish at a time. This evolution of American cuisine is also a testament to the nation's rich cultural tapestry. It's a tribute to the immigrant communities that have brought their traditional foods and flavors to the American table, enriching it with their unique culinary heritage. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together, exploring the world of fusion food. From Korean tacos to ramen burgers, discover the delicious innovations that are reshaping our culinary landscape. This is the fusion food phenomenon, a revolution in taste, a celebration of diversity, and the future of American food. Scene script. Dive deep into fusion fare that celebrates the rich tapestry of American diversity. Diversity is the heartbeat of America, a land where a medley of cultures, traditions, and histories intertwine. This rich tapestry of diversity is vividly reflected in the food we eat, particularly in the rising phenomenon of fusion cuisine. Imagine biting into a sushi burrito where the flavors of Japan and Mexico dance on your tongue in a tantalizing tango. Or picture yourself savoring a bowl of kimchi queso, where Korean tradition meets Mexican comfort food in a delightful culinary mashup. These dishes are more than just exciting flavor combinations. They represent the melting pot of cultures that define America. Fusion cuisine is not merely about blending flavors or ingredients. It's about bringing together stories, experiences, and traditions from across the globe. It's about chefs daring to break the boundaries of traditional cuisines, challenging our taste buds, and taking us on a culinary journey through different cultures. Consider the Vietnamese banh mi sandwich, a perfect example of a fusion dish born out of historical circumstances. It's a mouth-watering marriage of French and Vietnamese influences, a testament to the shared history of these two nations. Or take the wildly popular Korean BBQ taco, a brilliant blend of Korean flavors and the classic Mexican street food. It's a dish that not only tastes delicious, but also symbolizes the harmonious blending of two distinct cultures. As we explore the world of fusion cuisine, we discover that each dish tells a story. The story of people, their journeys, their traditions, and their love for food. Fusion cuisine is a celebration of our shared experiences, a testament to America's diversity. It shows us that food can be a powerful tool to bring people together, to build bridges between cultures, and to foster understanding and appreciation for our differences. These inventive dishes are more than just meals. They're a reflection of our nation's cultural mosaic. So let's celebrate this diversity, let's embrace the blend of flavors, and let's continue to enjoy the delicious journey of fusion cuisine. Uncover the driving forces behind the fusion food craze. The fusion food phenomenon is more than just a passing trend. It's a culinary revolution, shaped by several key factors. Let's dive into the ingredients that are fueling this fusion frenzy. First, we have the evolution of consumer tastes. As we become more adventurous eaters, we're constantly seeking new and exciting flavors. We're no longer satisfied with the same old dishes. We crave the unexpected, the unusual, the unexplored. This evolving palate has made us more receptive to fusion food, which offers a tantalizing blend of familiar and exotic tastes. Next, let's talk about the impact of viral food media. Social media has transformed the way we discover, share, and enjoy food. It's provided a platform for chefs and food enthusiasts to experiment with innovative fusion recipes and share them with the world. Food trends can now spread like wildfire, and fusion cuisine, with its visually stunning and Instagram-worthy dishes, has certainly benefited from this phenomenon. We also can't overlook the role of cultural curiosity. As we become more globally minded, we're increasingly interested in exploring other cultures, and food is a delicious way to do that. Fusion cuisine allows us to taste the world without leaving our kitchens. It's a culinary adventure that satisfies our curiosity while tantalizing our taste buds. Finally, the rise of fusion cuisine reflects our growing appreciation for diversity. As our society becomes more multicultural, our food is naturally following suit. Fusion cuisine celebrates the coming together of different cultures, creating a culinary tapestry as rich and varied as the people who enjoy it. So there you have it. The fusion food craze is driven by evolving tastes, viral food media, cultural curiosity, and a celebration of diversity. These factors have combined to create a perfect storm, propelling fusion cuisine to the forefront of the culinary world. Learn how evolving palates, viral food media, and cultural curiosity are stoking the appetite for blended cuisine. Meet the chefs, restaurants, and recipes leading the charge in bringing fusion food to the mainstream. Our journey into the world of fusion food would be incomplete without introducing the culinary maestros who are orchestrating this delicious symphony of flavors. These chefs, with their eclectic eateries and innovative recipes, are the vanguard of the fusion food revolution. First on our list is Chef Roy Choi, the genius mind behind the Korean taco truck, Kogi. With his inventive blend of Korean barbecue and traditional Mexican tacos, Chef Choi sparked a food truck revolution and ushered in a new era of fusion food. His bold audacity to experiment with flavors has made him a household name in the culinary world. Next, we have Chef Keizo Shimamoto, the creator of the sensational ramen burger. A classic American burger with a Japanese twist, Shimamoto's creation took the food scene by storm, proving that fusion food is not just a trend, but a culinary movement that's here to stay. And then there's Chef Carla Hall, whose Southern comfort food with a global spin has been a game changer. Her ability to blend the familiarity of comfort food with the exotic appeal of international flavors has made her a standout in the fusion food arena. Let's not forget the restaurants that are changing the game with their fusion menus. Establishments like the Slanted Door in San Francisco, where Vietnamese food meets California cuisine, or Pok Pok in Portland, where Thai street food is given an American twist. These culinary trailblazers are not just creating new dishes, they're crafting a new narrative for American cuisine, one that is inclusive, diverse, and reflective of our multicultural society. They're challenging the norm, pushing boundaries, and redefining what it means to be American food. So, let's raise a toast to these visionaries who are making the world a smaller, tastier place, one dish at a time. These culinary trailblazers are crafting taste sensations that unite diverse cultures. Discover how fusion cuisine's bold flavors are connecting people through a shared love for diverse culinary experiences. Fusion food is more than just a tantalizing blend of flavors. It's a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and traditions. It breaks down barriers, inviting us all to step out of our comfort zones and savor something new and exciting. Every bite of a fusion dish is a journey, an exploration of the rich tapestry of our world's diverse culinary heritage. It's the spring roll filled with barbecue pulled pork, the pizza topped with sushi, the taco bursting with Korean bulgogi. These dishes tell a story, intertwining histories and cultures on a single plate. In this way, fusion cuisine becomes a universal language. Despite our differences, it brings us together, fostering understanding and unity through the simple act of sharing a meal. Food transcends borders, and fusion speaks a new language of unity.